insider ano nyo?
Tala.
Sino yung insider nyo?
Tala.
Si Tala. Si Tala mismo. Sino yun? Si Miss Tala daw. That's
Tala siya, diba? Yung ano niya?
Yung kinakasukan na.
Si Chris Tala. Sorry si Gen Z ako eh.
Wow!
Hindi ka familiar. But no. All jokes aside. Iconic, no? Iconic. Yung very, very in-theme, someone that can be our superhero in this particular category. So, when it comes to helping Filipinos with their finances, yun naman ang hinahanap natin lagi, di ba? Somebody we can turn to that can help us out in our endeavors, especially with everything going on in the world right now, with the state of our economy. I feel like it's more and more important to find the best platforms to be able to encourage growth for the entire economy. Kasi we need everybody to grow together, and that is one of the biggest challenges we have right now, which is why we're so glad that Tala makes it a point to make Tala itself so accessible to every Pinoy out there. Everybody can reach out, exactly. Kayo na lang po mag-host dito. Parang kayo na yung next endorser natin. Ready. So what is your name?
I'm Maya. Called us Inay Babes.
Maya! Palakpakan naman siya for Maya! I love your name. Okay, and I'm just curious then, no? One of the main reasons why we need platforms like Tala is because a lot of people want to advance their careers or maybe start businesses as well. So, out of our friends here sa media, meron din po ba kayo sabihin businesses, personal businesses? Oh, you do! Okay, pero pag bumalik ko sa'yo, baka isipin nila na masyado akong bias. So, mamaya na lang. Tanongin ko yan mamaya. Sino ba meron dito? May mga businesses, may mga side hustles. Oh, you do! So we know how important it is to have platforms like Tala to help us out, especially if you want to start fresh. Kasi kung wala talaga, if you're going to start from zero, you're going to need that assistance, you're going to need that push. So it's so important to have an accessible platform like Tala. So with you, Madam, how did you get started with your business?
So I started small.
You started small lang, and can I ask what industry it's in?
I do have my hardware, my construction, and now I have my soon-to-be food court.
Grabe! Ang galing! Hardware, construction, at food court. Nag-start small pa yan, ha? What was one of the hardest things to do starting out? Like, what are the hardest hurdles that you had to overcome?
Okay, financial.
Money!
Money! When you got a big project and then you're like, kulang na sa budget and kulang na sa ano. And the suppliers doesn't give you credit line, that's the time you get to go to the bank, which is so hassle for us. So we really need somebody.
You really need somebody to assist you with that. And ako, as somebody that's also ventured into some side hustles and small businesses as well, unfortunately, there are times talaga na when you need that assistance, and sometimes, as much as you want it to come from your friends or family, hindi nila kaya or hindi kaya ng puso nila. And that's one of the hardest things, no? And for you then personally, syempre, you need to swallow some pride when you reach out to them, which is why it's great that instead of that route, we can actually use formalized platforms like Tala. So ito na, hindi ko na papatagalin pa. Tapos na po tayo doon. Ito na tayo. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
Ready na ba talaga?
Yes!
Okay, mga Tala, we've raced through challenges, ignited the portals, and embraced a spirit of fairness and possibility. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for is here. Please welcome to the stage a leader whose passion powers Tala's mission. For today's big reveal, here is the marketing director of Tala Philippines. Please give it up for Miss Missy Santos.
Or carry titles, but it's found in every Filipino who dares to believe, begin, and rise. Tala stands to unlock that through trust, tools, and access. Because when power is shared, every story becomes heroic. Our mission is clear: to serve the global majority, expanding access to financial services, and unlocking economic opportunity for all Filipinos. In the Talaverse, everyday lives, parents, workers, dreamers, tayo are the true protagonists. This is where fairness reigns supreme on a truly level playing field. Ngayon sa Tala, everyone gets the same opportunity. Everyone gets the same shot. We overcome the hurdles, rise together, and turn challenges into triumphs. We unveil a world where fairness is our superpower and opportunity is the spark that ignites transformation. Ang pinakamahalaga sa Tala, may kasangga ka na sa pagsubok at sa paglaban sa buhay. And leading the charge, embodying every value that we stand for, is our newest champion,